What's going on, guys and girls? Nick. Update on my project here. So I've been working on this. I imported this Japanese fire truck and Toyota, because my van just got terrible gas mileage and he's getting like 30 some miles to the gallon. But it didn't have air. It had air, but it's air delete because it was a fire truck. So see, it had the fire writing, the writing on the side. It said emergency fire truck and all. It had the light bar on top. It had air delete because the municipal takes the air out of them. So I bought this Dometic 12 volt AC. I am not being paid by Dometic, but it's pretty damn good. It was pretty easy installation. They gave you a template to cut this hole. It's got a remote control, so you can control it from in the house if you want. The truck does not need to be running for the air to run. The truck's off right now. Air will blow ice cold. It'll actually turn off. I got double batteries in this. It'll turn off when the batteries get too low to start the truck, which is pretty cool. So, and if you have the right battery set up, you can get about 8 hours of run time with the truck off. And it gets it. It was 91 degrees yesterday, and it was 68 in this truck, so it's pretty good. You know, they're made for, you know, full-size semis and camper vans, and this thing's not that big. It's like the size of a four-door pickup, so maybe a little bit smaller actually. But yeah, I'm very happy with it. I think out of pocket it was like 2,800 bucks. I bought it from Rack and Go in South Dakota, and they had it here in 2 days. It does come on a freight truck, so make sure you tell them that you don't have a forklift, because they'll bring a Tommy lift. I have a skid loader, but the packaging is heavy, not real heavy, but with the wooden pallet, because it came on that wooden pallet, with the wooden pallet and all, probably 150 pounds. So I had put this strip here because the condensating water would come out of this and run down my windshield. And sitting at a red light, just started putting water down the windshield. So I put this here so the water would run down this rain guard, because that was the only problem I came across, was the water, condensated water coming down my windshield. Otherwise, it's been awesome. So if you have a vehicle that doesn't have air and you don't want to put anything on the motor, this is 12 volt, just hooks to a battery. And it's pretty strong. I mean, I'm surprised. It's stronger than any car air, factory air. But you want to get the RTX 2000. The 1000, they say it's good enough for like a small teardrop camper. This one's, you'd rather go overkill. Than I keep it on low once I'm on the freeway. And I keep my fan on recirculate, the factory car fan, and it's ice cold. So if you got a vehicle that doesn't have air and don't want to spend a fortune, for $3 grand, under $3 grand, it's well worth it. All right, see you guys.